Thank you to Govee for once again making this possible. In a previous video, my dad and I unboxed the Govee LED puck light. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Aura table lamp. The package contained a cable, of course, and the actual light. As usual, there'll be a link in the description if you want to learn more about this light. The light was smooth and had several buttons on it. One to turn it on and off, two to change the brightness, one to edit the color, and one to enable audio recognition. After plugging it into an output, it immediately turns on and we were able to test all the features. The difference in color was clear and the radius of the light was really impressive. The audio function worked well and we were able to put on an amazing light show. After that, we had to get the app. You can easily find it by searching Govee on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Choose to add a light and find the correct one, aka the Govee Aura table lamp. After creating an account, you can connect your light with Bluetooth. With the app, you could change the brightness, which you could already do manually. You could change the color from all the variations the app had to offer. There was green, blue, purple, pink, basically all of them. There was even a wheel showing what emotion the color would give off. Out of all the options, scene was probably my favorite. There was a bunch of color variations ready for you to choose from. The music option made audio recognition much more customizable. It was really fun to play around with. Another helpful feature was alarms. You could set the light to turn on certain days at full brightness, so it would wake you up, even though that doesn't really work for me. After all that, we played around with the music features and more. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, you could use Alexa with this as well. Alexa, set Aura table lamp brightness to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, set Aura table lamp to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set Aura table lamp to pink.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off Aura table lamp.
Okay.